Hello everyone! Today, I will walk you through the process of setting up your accounts to use the Titan Pro Copy Trader. Let's get started. To begin, click on your unique Titan Pro link found on your E2T back office. The link should redirect you to the dedicated Vantage Markets registration page. Follow the prompts, select your country, provide your email, click Send Code, and a verification code will be sent to your inbox. Retrieve the code, paste it in the form, and set your password. Now tap on Create Account. Congratulations, you have successfully registered on Vantage. To open an account, fill in the required details, matching the details as your ID cards, and press Next. Choose your account configuration, select MetaTrader 4, choose a standard account type, and US dollars as your account currency. Check the Terms and Conditions box and tap Next to proceed to the verification page. You will be prompted to upload your ID verification, which may take up to 24 hours for approval. Once approved, you will receive 3 emails confirming your live account, client portal access, and MT4 login details. Once approved, go back to your Vantage Market account, select Deposit, and deposit your desired amount of funds into your account with your preferred payment method. Next, head to your App Store or Play Store and download the vSocial app. Install it and register using your details. Confirm your registration via the email sent to your email address. Return to the login page and enter your email and password. In the top search bar, type Titan Pro. Select the Titan Pro and then press Copy. Now, select Link an existing account and manually enter the details received in the email from Vantage with your MT4 login details. Choose the server based on the number in your email, enter your account and password, and tap Done once finished. Then select Copy Trades. Set up your risk management to round up to minimum trade size, selecting your soft stop level to 0% and hard stop level according to your risk appetite. The hard stop will close all trading if the risk limit is breached. 20% is usually a preferred hard stop to allow comfortable trading. Then select Confirm. Finally, download the MetaTrader 4 app onto your mobile phone from the App Store or Play Store and log in with the same MT4 login details sent to you by Vantage onto the MetaTrader 4 app. Here you can watch all your trading live for you to enjoy and see the Titan Pro at work. Congratulations! You are all set up and ready to go. We wish you a happy and enjoyable journey with Titan Pro.